Hey, what's going on, guys? Tasche here, coming to you with another product launch announcement. Now, this time, Ben Martin is releasing his brand new course called Stealth Commissions. Now, Stealth Commissions is a YouTube marketing course that's going to show you how to make money using YouTube as your main traffic source. Now, you may be wondering, is this just another one of those YouTube affiliate marketing courses that's going to show you how to make and rank product review videos to take advantage of all the traffic that's coming from branded product launches? And even though you can use lessons in Stealth Commissions for that, that's not what it's really all about. See, Stealth Commissions is about learning how to make and rank your videos using the right keywords, and more importantly, how to build, customize, and develop your channel to help establish you as an expert in your niche. Now, it doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer, if you have your own product, if you own an e-commerce store, maybe you want to get traffic to your blog, doesn't matter what it is, the lessons you're going to learn in Stealth Commissions will work for anything like that. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an advanced marketer. So even though Ben's going to go through and show you how to build a channel from ground zero, okay, it doesn't matter because the lessons in the course will work whether you're a beginner or if you're an advanced marketer, you're going to get a whole bunch of really awesome golden nuggets that's going to help you take your channel to a whole new level. Okay, so the course is being released on April 10th, 2018 at 10 a.m. EST. And I'll be sending out my review of the product about 9 a.m. EST on the 10th. Give you time to look it over and check it out and make a decision on taking action and seeing if this course is a good fit for you. Okay, now if you're not on my email list, I'm going to leave a link in the description here on YouTube that you can click on and you can access my review from there. Now, the product is closing out on April 15th at 11:59 p.m. EST. And I'll also be including a valuable bonus package that at the present time is currently worth over $34,000 in bonuses that you're going to get 100% free when you grab your copy of Stealth Commissions through my link. And the thing is, though, that the bonuses are only available until the launch closes out, which is at 11:59 p.m. EST on the 15th. So you got to make sure you grab your copy before that time. Make sure you secure your bonuses and to secure the best possible price. Because right now, when it launches, it's going to launch at a very, very, very low price of $9.95, okay, for the course. So you're going to get all of that plus the bonuses for under 10 bucks. Okay. So with that, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Again, look in your email for my review. And if you're not on my email list, just click the link down below. You can get it from there. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. I look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you then. Bye.